Welcome to this massive course of Python, which aims to make you specialized in major promising areas of Python, which are web scraping, game development, data visualization, security and cryptography, and at last, but not at the least, hacking using Python script. Python in 2020 is incredibly popular language with tons of jobs and freelancing opportunities for pertinent skilled Python developers. This course will be beginner friendly, which will take you from downloading Python on your machine through writing your first Python program to all the way developing real world games and applications. This course is structured in massive 40-hour plus length lectures and will be constantly updated soon with other specialization of Python. Apart from lectures, there are also challenges and resources included to facilitate you in the process of becoming proficient Python developer. Alright, so are you ready to get started? Click on enroll button now and I'll see you on the other side. Python is an outstanding language for people learning to program and perfect for anyone wanting to get stuff done and not spend heaps of time on boilerplate code. Pygame is a Python library for creating 2D video games that is easy to start with and very capable as you gain experience. In this module of game development, I will explain you how to start with using Python and Pygame to start programming video games. We are going to cover several mini games on the way through, but I want to show you some sneak peeks of some of the game that we are going to make in this course. So first of all, we are going to make this Pygame, which is capable of just running in any direction and handle the events. And the next game that we are going to make is Dodge the Car Race game. And this is also some important game. Some of the aspects of Pygame will be covered on the entire course. And we are going to cover several mini games on the way through. See you in the course.